Are the bridges we build across departments really being used? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We inspire professional relationships that generate new solutions for executives. I'm in southern Spain, a place called Murcia. It's got a lovely river that splits the city into halves. I'm standing next to one of the bridges that has been built to cross this river. They've built lovely bridges, many of them across centuries. Despite that, and despite some traffic across these bridges, the city is still split into halves, and retail shops being in one side and not the other. Does this happen in our companies? Do we generate bridges across departments but they're not really being used? Do we have some training sessions, some team building exercises, but there's no real connecting perspectives across departments? What could we do? I look forward to hearing your examples of what works and what doesn't. And as usual, in a couple of days' time, back here, I'll be summarizing your comments and giving my feedback. What can we do for the bridges to be really used? Keep connecting new perspectives.